Hey, to control media playback of your smartphone using Xiaomi Watch S3, first of all, I'm gonna, for example, turn on the YouTube music. There we go. And now let's turn on this song. Now all you have to do on our watch is just to click on this button. Let me just input the code. There we go. So now from all of these apps, we have to actually scroll down until we find the music. And now, as you can see right now, I'll play and pause this music like this. I can also turn the next song, turn the previous one. Also, I can change the volume by clicking here. I can just volume up or volume down. And also I can change sound source. So by clicking here, I can pick the music source from my watch, from my phone, or simply use my earphones. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.